And plus,
Guys, I'm really sorry guys. Paminti na ako mano guys. Maklik siya ba? I didn't even, ano lang siya. I didn't even. Nagloading akong auto quest.
dili lagi siya
Gudi nga pod
noise.
Hotdog.
Ay, kabalo na ka makuha noise.
O lagi kabla na ka.
Pros.
So let's get niya. Mag-picture sa takadali. Ipang profile na to sa TikTok. Follow me on TikTok and subscribe.
Sing leader, sing for leader, drink on the bound the
Ay,
sea for
profile
the
na ako
leader.
sana. YouTube.
Sa dugay. Process.
And then, i-turn ako na yung because
Dugay kayo ani ka channel.
ano ta ilis sa tag-account niyo. Account si ano ni. Kanito. Dahil na pangita po dani guys is pangit siya guys do kanay pangit. Ay nice man po siya. Ayo guys,
Bidugay.
rate niya. Oh, pangita ni is kanay ambot lang kung gwapa. Isa ang nice guys. Isa ang nice. Ito Jollibee Jollibee squid is ano ako guys. Ito yung suot ko kanyan. So try natin ito. Hindi, I don't like this. I like this. Okay, this is more better than the other one. So let's go. So you all guys want to know what I will face. Don't worry, in 1 million subscribers. Syarog mana pa to na to. Just if you want to know what's I will face, just ano lang lagi guys. Just
Wait, ba't sa dugay
subscribe
kayo? Hanong madili
because
dugay?
we're going to face reveal and 1 million subscribers. If you want.
Dugay. Nadili siya magdugay. Basta dugay ako
Okay, wait lang,
channel.
guys.
But
So I'm back because may ano kasi may yung si Ryle is ano nyo siya. I-subscribe nyo din siya because she's my step cousin. And ano she's doing a video to YouTube. Who's this guy? Hi! Oh, pansin tayo. Ay! Hi! Hi!
there's going on here.
Nothing.
Okay.
So let's write it.
Bye.
Let's write it. I'm going to write your avatar. I'm going to write.
My channel is gonna be the most beautiful channel in the world.
I'm going to write your
You're gonna get 1 subscriber. I'm gonna get 1,000.
avatar.
This is gonna be a challenge, bro. This is gonna be a challenge. So, April Fool.
9.5
challenge. And who's gonna get
out of
more
10.
subscribers? Okay? I
Nice.
call that, I guess.
Nice.
So I uploaded my first channel. So it's gonna take for an hour. So
Going to rate your avatar. I'm going to rate your avatar. Hey! Hey.
Lugi po di, uy!
5 point. Because I literally don't see it, so hi! Who is this? Of course, okay, hi. Hi. I'm going to rate your avatar. I'm going to rate your avatar. Kasi,
Gago ka ni, uy!